So you're going to build a simulator. You've made the decision and you're going to go for it. What is one of the best decisions you can make? Let me tell you my thoughts. Well, good day everyone. Thanks for joining and I hope you're well. I'll get straight into it. In my view, one of the best investments you will ever make when it comes to building a simulator would be, a 3D printer. Go and get yourself a 3D printer. It is invaluable. I've had two 3D printers in the journey for me building the simulator over the years that I've been doing this hobby. The reason for the second one was because the first one decided to pack up after a good 3 odd years. But I've got the second one now and I thoroughly enjoy it. It has been undoubtedly the best investment ever. Not only from the point of view of being able to build pretty much whatever you can think of in 3D printing, but also in terms of if you don't quite get it right, you just print yourself another one. Make a small adjustment and print yourself another one. It's been absolutely great for me. My yokes, my throttle and mixture panel, my trim wheel, my fuel selector, originally my switch panel, all of it has been 3D printed. And to this very day, it's fantastic. It's the best thing you'll ever do. Not only that, but you will learn the skills on how to do 3D printing in terms of the heat of the bed, the speed at which you travel, the infill, the percentage of infill, all of these skills that you will learn. You'll learn obviously in terms of the computer drafting how to get those models out of that and import them into slicing software and so on. So you build parallel skills as well. And when your flight simulation's all done, guess what? Your 3D printer can come in handy for all sorts of other things as well. I'm currently looking at my Logitech 922 camera that happens to be on a bracket, and guess what? That was 3D printed as well. I've had other brackets in the past that I've done. I've made dishwasher plugs for people out of 3D printers, and I've even had some reticulation part that I used that I made using the 3D printer. They are very versatile and well worth the investment. Get yourself a 3D printer, you won't look back. See you everyone. Hope you liked this one. If you did, leave that like in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe because apparently 60% of you just scroll on through. Give yourself that subscription and I'll keep you posted on other stuff over time. And check out all my other history as well. There's a fair bit of stuff on there that hopefully might help you on your sim journey. See you everyone. Bye for now.